The keto diet is the trendy weight loss plan that advocates for cutting down carbs and upping your fat intake. If you're following a ketogenic diet, though, you still have options for keto breakfast recipes. Learn from the wisdom of the crowd. What keto breakfast recipes are viewed over and over? Here are keto-friendly recipes to inspire your keto breakfast game. Number 1. Taco Breakfast Skillet. This taco breakfast scramble is the perfect easy recipe to spice up, loaded with protein-packed ground beef, sharp cheddar, veggies, and everyone's favorite taco add-ons. This skillet from peace, love, and low-carb is like eating nachos for breakfast minus the chips. It can also be meal prepped ahead of time for a week's worth of breakfasts. Number 2. Sausage Breakfast Sandwich. Instead of a complicated keto bread recipe, this breakfast sandwich gets creative and simple by using spicy pork sausage patties in place of an English muffin or bagel. An egg plus a sriracha and cheese mixture are sandwiched in between, along with any veggies of choice. A slice of tomato and spinach would fit right in. To lighten it up, swap in turkey sausage patties and use just egg whites instead of the whole egg. Number 3. Sausage and Egg Breakfast Bowl. For a quick and easy breakfast meal, try these keto sausage and egg breakfast bowls. Minus the salt and pepper, there are only 4 ingredients in this simple breakfast bowl. It starts with radishes as a satisfying stand-in for breakfast potatoes, and sausage, cheddar cheese, and eggs are all layered on top. Since the egg cooks separately, you can fry it up exactly the way you like it. Number 4. Corned beef and radish hash. This recipe proves that corned beef isn't just a St. Patrick's Day standby. You can use leftover corned beef or canned corned beef, but either way, you'll end up with a crispy, unique breakfast. Pair it with eggs in the morning, and save the leftovers for lunch or dinner. Number 5. Oatmeal. This is one of the speediest keto breakfast options around, especially if you mix the dry ingredients together ahead of time. Recipe is made up of hemp hearts, almond flour, shredded coconut, flaxseed meal, and chia seeds. It can be made on the stovetop or in a microwave, and from there, the topping options are endless. Number 6. Pulled pork hash. A great way to use up leftovers. Hash is a fast and simple meal. Put leftover pulled pork to good use. Something about the combination of pulled pork and runny egg yolks just feels so right. Brussels sprouts, lacinato kale, red onion, and turnip give this recipe a boost of veggies for added fiber and nutrients.